Let's make a DIY hair growth spray. But before that, let's start by mixing the ingredient, and let me introduce the ingredient for you all. So we need a bowl like this or a plate like this, and the first ingredient we'll be using is hibiscus. Hibiscus is traditionally used in natural hair care to help condition and nourish the hair. The next one we'll be using is rosemary. Rosemary is a popular herb in scalp and hair care routine. Okay, so we're going to use a handful, and the next one we're going to be adding is fenugreek. Fenugreek is commonly used to help condition and moisturize the hair and bring it to a good use. And the next one we're going to be using is black seed. Black seed is traditionally used for hair and scalp care. And the last ingredient to be using, not the last but the least, is cloves. Cloves is commonly used for a DIY treatment, and it contains antioxidant compound that help to promote hair growth. So we're going to be mixing this, and along the line, I'll be adding in another key ingredient for hair growth. So don't skip this part. So we'll need a jar just like this. It's clean, washed, and clean, and I'll be adding in all my ingredients into this jar. Okay, so I'm just eyeballing it, but if you want an accurate measurement, you can use a tablespoon for each of these. Then for the hibiscus, you can add either 5 leaves of hibiscus or 6 leaves of hibiscus if you want your hibiscus to be much darker. So I'm just going to be adding everything inside the jar, and we'll move to the benefits of the next ingredients. So if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment, will you be trying this recipe? Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe out. This is a very amazing, high nutritious and high good hair growth tea for hair growth. So I am also going to be adding in MSM powder. MSM powder is a very good recipe, or a very good treatment for to enhance your hair growth. If you don't have MSM powder, there's no problem. You can still do this without MSM powder. So I'm going to be adding in my hot water into the jar. All right, then after adding in the hot water into the jar, the last ingredient to be adding is bay leaf. Bay leaf is really good for hair growth, so I'm going to be adding in bay leaf to infuse it with everything. Okay, so for my bay leaf, I put like 4 bay leaves or 5 bay leaves inside. So do as the spirit leads you. Then I'm going to mix everything together and allow this to sit in my kitchen shelf for 24 hours. Okay, so please wait for part 2 on how I strain and apply this on my hair.